everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something that was super fun and colorful, and I know I did a colorful look like 2 looks back, which I'll put in the icon card if you wanted to see that. But anyhow, back to this one. I wanted to sit down and play with some kind of colors I wouldn't typically pair together, but I really love the way this came out. I did kind of go with a little bit of a deeper lip. I'm nowhere like anywhere near as bright as I could have gone, but I love using the Maybelline Colorsensational, the Elixirs, and I wanted to do a look that was kind of like centered around a pink lip but was still colorful. You get what I'm saying? So if you guys want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye, and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is Oatmeal Tan from CoastalScents, which is this brown that has a really pretty orange undertone, and I'm taking that on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just going to apply that right into the crease of my eye, and really focusing on the outer corner and leaving the inner corner as light as possible because I'm going to throw something else there. So you just want to take it and blend it back and forth. So for the inner corner of my crease, I'm going to take these 2 shades of gold. This one's more of a yellow and this one's more of a true gold color. And I'm going to take that on a pencil brush, and what I'm going to do is to pop this right in the inner corner of my crease. So I'm going to go in with a darker shade of gold first and apply that right in the inner corner, blending it towards the middle. And then I'm going to go in with the yellow gold right over top of it to bring more of that kind of true gold color out. I'm going to take that brush that we use in the crease and go back in with Oatmeal Tan just to kind of blend those 2 shades together and go back over. If you got like a little heavy-handed, you could always use that to touch that up. So I'm just going to use that to kind of fix my mistakes. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm taking this shade right here. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow Paralyzed in the shade Girly. And I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush and apply that under my brow bone and use that to kind of blend the top portion of that crease color out. So for my eyelid shade, I'm going in with this shade right here. And this is Vibrant Blue Green from CoastalScents. And that's going to get popped right on my eyelid. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to go back into Oatmeal Tan and just work that on my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go in with e.l.f. Cream Black Liner and line my top lash line. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I'm using Buxom's Big Tease mascara. So for cheeks, I'm going to go into the shade right here, which is from the Mark Wynn's blush palette, and I'm going to take that and apply that to my cheeks. And then for highlight, I'm going to use that same shade I used to highlight my brow bone, which is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Girly. And I'm going to apply this to all the high points of my face, so right on top of my cheekbones, Cupid's bow. And I actually like to take a little bit right here above my my eyebrow, just ever so slightly. I'm not going to take it across the forehead because that will make you look like, you know, you're greasy and oily. Just like that. So for lips, I want a nice kind of bright pout going on. So I'm taking this shade right here. This is the Maybelline Colorsensational Color Elixir in the shade 530 Radiant Ruby. And I'm just going to use this as my lipstick. So here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget there's a full list of products I used down in the description box below this video. I love you guys very much. I'll see you next Tuesday, but don't forget, make good choices.